Imagine an investment. It's linked to the crypto world, but it's designed for stability. Not those wild, heart-stopping swings. Sounds too good to be true, right? Maybe not. This is the world of stablecoins, a different kind of digital money. We all see the headlines, Bitcoin to the moon, then Bitcoin crashes back to Earth. Fortunes made in an instant, fortunes lost just as fast. It's a total roller coaster ride. Most people think crypto is just gambling, pure speculation. They worry. Cryptocurrency. The word itself can sound scary, like something only for hackers or for tech geniuses to understand. Many believe it's a massive bubble just waiting to burst spectacularly, leaving regular investors totally broke. This fear is completely understandable. But what if there was a calmer path? A way to carefully dip your toes into the vast world of digital assets without all the extreme, nail-biting drama? Stablecoins offer exactly this possibility. They are built very differently, aiming for pure, simple steadiness. This could be your entry point. Bitcoin's price can suddenly jump, or it can plummet dramatically. Thousands of dollars in value can vanish in a single day. This kind of intense movement is definitely not for the faint of heart. Imagine your hard-earned savings swinging like that. It scares investors. People hear crypto, they think risk. They immediately think of complexity. I'll lose all my money for sure. It's completely unregulated, a wild west. Hackers will steal everything I own. These are very common fears. The crypto space is still relatively new, so a healthy dose of caution is smart. Now think about something different. Think about stablecoins specifically. Their primary job, their entire purpose, is to remain stable in value. Usually they are directly pegged to a real-world, government-issued currency like the US dollar, for example. So, one stablecoin aims to equal $1. Other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or even Ethereum, they are more like volatile tech stocks, potentially high risk, high reward. Their value can change very wildly, based on market demand and sentiment. Stablecoins are fundamentally different, designed to be boringly predictable, like digital cash. Think of stablecoins as digital dollars, or you can think of them as digital euros. They exist and operate on the blockchain. That's the underlying tech behind crypto. Popular examples include Tether or USDT, and also USD Coin, USDC, and DAI, DAI. Each one aims to hold its value, tied directly to a traditional currency. Their stability typically comes from backing. Most are backed by actual real assets, like cash held in bank accounts or short-term government debt instruments. Some might use complex algorithms or even crypto collateral for backing. The ultimate goal here is transparency, so you know the peg is solid and real. So, how do you make money? Through something often called yield. You can lend out your stablecoins on crypto exchanges or special platforms. These platforms then pay you interest, often at rates much higher than banks, because there's significant demand for borrowing in the growing digital economy. Here's a truly dramatic fact for you. During major crypto market crashes, when Bitcoin lost half its value, many major stablecoins held strong. They stayed reliably pegged to the dollar. Imagine the widespread market chaos. Everything else falling apart, but your stablecoin's still worth $1. To start investing in stablecoins, pick a reputable crypto exchange like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken. Always check for strong security, ease of use, and fees. Convert your money to stablecoins, select the amount, and click buy. Deposit into earn programs to earn interest, but remember, all investments carry risk. Start small and diversify. Imagine starting with just $100, or, hey, maybe even only $50, earning a few percent APY on it. It might not seem like a lot at first, but it's a genuine, tangible start. Compounding interest is honestly pretty powerful over time. Those small amounts can truly grow, and this is how financial security often begins. Many people are already doing this. They're using stablecoin yields to help supplement their regular income or even to save for a significant goal. It's definitely not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's more like get secure slowly. Even top, sophisticated investors use these tools for steady, reliable passive income streams. It might all seem very complex, like all this new talk of crypto, blockchains, yields, and digital platforms. But it's actually getting much easier. Every single day, it simplifies. The platforms are becoming more user-friendly too, and honestly, the first step is always the hardest. Learning a bit, trying a small amount. So, what's the next step for you? Don't just sit there and read about it. Maybe consider taking some form of action. Start your own research journey today. Look into a well-known stablecoin or investigate a reputable exchange. This could be your very first step into the world of modern finance.